All right, let's go. Golden chunk of goodness.
I didn't know you had a pet snake.
That's no pet snake, darling. Now enough of this nonsense. On with the show. G'day good people. That world's fastest catch and cook was one of the last videos I made on freedom. There's one more, well actually there's a few more, but I'm not going to show some of them, or maybe I will show them in the future, you know, blast from the past, that sort of thing. So these are the last videos that I made on freedom before I put it up on the hard and was going to give it away to some deserving person or persons. So now what I'm here for is to tell you there's going to be an announcement after the next video, so stick around, okay? Exciting news, people. In a week, I will be off to Turkey. Why Turkey? Because, well, we've had issues with finding a factory in Greece. Greek bureaucracy. Look, let's just say Greek business is a business unto its own. Anyway, so I'm off to the Black Sea coast. I'm not going to tell you where yet. Where we're going to be building the boat. Now, the past 5 months that I've been in civilization, well, there's some issues with that, people. Well, as you can no doubt appreciate, I mean, I'm not really designed for civilization. I'm a caveman. I need a cave, or I need the water with a spear gun. Just a fact of life. Anyway, look, the last 5 months haven't been wasted. We had the idea of building the new Freedoms, the new boats, with a jig. And it was actually going to be a jig where we're going to build it inside. Now, we did a test run on a rib, and some of the patrons and Kickstarter crew already know this, but just to give the general public the idea, it was very good with the rib because the curves were very simple, and it was super successful, and it was excellent. However, with compound curves, we couldn't actually get it to work, so we know that now. So we're going to still be building a jig, but it's going to be a different one. Anyway, stay tuned, you'll see. So now this is very exciting news. Now, the other thing, I've been getting a heap of emails, and occasionally there's a comment, although it's more along the T&A line, about where is Plucky's love of his life. Well, there is none, people. Until social media stops corrupting females and they walk around with buffy lips and fake breasts and done up to the nines with fake paint, well, I'm just not interested. And that's just the fakeness of their demeanour. Then you come to their personality. Well, why can't people just be the way they are and not try and, I don't know, doctor themselves? So it's not looking good. Yes, it would be good to have a partner in crime, but it's not going to happen. I've been in civilization now for what, 5 months, and very unimpressed. Okay, very unimpressed. And I'm sure on the other side of the coin, they're very unimpressed too. So mutually incompatible, and that's just the way it is. Sad clown, yes, let's not go into it. I must admit, I really do need a partner in crime, but from what I can see, it's not going to happen. So I'm sorry to answer these emails and these, because there's really genuine concern. I mean, really, an amazing. Look, I'm touched. But let's move on to the boat build, and let's bury ourselves in that, and let's get a boat that's going to go around the world with regen that people aren't going to lie about. Because I'm reading and I'm seeing lots of regen that does not work. Anyway, exciting news. I hope you're all well. I hope you stay tuned, and the videos will be coming. Well, me journeying to Turkey, going to the Black Sea coast, people. How romantic. Romantic for one. I know I've been joking about it in the Greek videos, but it's really quite sad, isn't it? I mean, all the other YouTubers seem to, mind you, there's a difference. I will leave to you what you think the difference is. I already know what the difference is. But anyway, hope you're well. Stay tuned, and let's get to that boat build.